Hello, this is Michael from SE Consulting, and today I want to show you how to get real-time application monitoring in 5 minutes without needing a lot of technical expertise or complicated backend installations. All you need is the modular service platform, which is a software as a service portal, and access to the server that you want to monitor. So first you go to the server, go to PuTTY, and then you want to create an agent account for Modular. It's fine if you're running it on your own user account, but it's simply safer to create an individual account. So for this demo, we'll be working with passwords. You can also work with SSH, but because we're using passwords, we're setting a password for the agent. Okay, and we need to confirm it. And now in the backend, we're prepared. Now you can just go to the Modular webpage portal, and if you're not registered, you may want to create a new account. Otherwise, you can simply log in with some existing credentials. Okay, we log in, we go to the dashboards automatically, but we are not set up yet. Okay, we go to the configure area and we want to add a new environment. This is the function for adding new environments. So let's say we name the environment the staging that we want to monitor. We have to give the address of the server and the name of the account where the agent should be installed. We already chose password authentication, so we can just move on. Yes, the server is reachable, so we give our password. Modular can now be installed. This won't take long since Modular is really small thing, less than 100 kilobytes. Okay, Modular is installed on our staging environment. We don't have any commands yet, so we want to use plugins to automatically gain some commands. Yeah, we need the renderer, definitely. At the moment, we're just interested in the core monitoring. That is the standard stuff like CPU and memory. And then plugins get installed. Cool. We get 3 dashlets that we can add to dashboards. We think they're all interesting. So here's the dashboard for the staging. It has automatically been created. And we want to add our dashlets. That's cool. Now we go to the newly created dashboard, select it, and see what we got. The pwd command is automatically created just to see if we can actually reach the environment, but it's worthless if everything works, so we can just delete it. So the storage capacity is not so important. We move it to the right. The CPU capacity is the most important thing at the moment. Memory also okay. So the CPU, got it here. I think it's a bit too small, so we should just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and we want to see it every single minute with an update. Okay, so it's been updated. That's cool. The first dashboard is ready. We can track the memory, we can track the CPU, see if our storage is overflowing, but of course it's just the start. More commands will give you more flexibility, and this is Modular is really not about hardware monitoring. It's about monitoring everything that is important to understand what is going on your system. But that's another story we'll show you in the execute area in another video. Okay, now you're ready to do your own monitoring with Modular in real time. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.